Look, if you work with data in any capacity, you already know AI is absolutely dominating the conversation right now. But today, we aren't talking about AI replacing your job. No way. We're looking at something much more practical. We are looking at AI as a totally frictionless workflow partner in data analytics.
So, ever feel like data analytics is more headache than insight? I mean, let's be real. On paper, analytics projects sound so simple, right? But in practice, you're dealing with messy data. And that tedious, soul crushing cleaning process just burns through the time you actually need to turn your insights into real business decisions.
Okay, let's dive into this. Every traditional analytics workflow generally follows this classic five-step path: collection, preparation, analysis, visualization, and decision-making. AI isn't coming in to replace this sequence. Instead, it's literally removing the friction at every single step along the way. Our agenda today is going to track right alongside these stages: data collection, data preparation, data analysis, data visualization, decision-making, and then finally, we'll look at the bigger picture. Stage 1, data collection, less manual digging, more automated gathering.
So, in the old days, collecting data basically meant manually scraping a dozen different spreadsheets and CRMs and just crossing your fingers that nothing broke. Today, AI driven ETL, that's extract, transform, load, automates that entire gathering process. And actually, they don't just monitor incoming streams and pull data in real time, they actively predict what additional data might be useful to you based on historical patterns.
Let's ground this with a real-world retail example. Tracking customer behavior that is scattered across a website, a mobile app, and physical brick-and-mortar stores used to mean manually merging completely separate weekly reports just to figure out what happened days ago. Well, AI resolves this massive headache by completely automating the pipeline sync. It automatically flags missing or duplicate entries and catches anomalies in real time, like, say, a sudden weird drop in website visits, ensuring the team always has a perfectly up-to-date view without all that manual digging.
Moving on to stage 2, data preparation, cleaning data without the headache.
And this brilliantly illustrates the problem. Ask literally any analyst, and they'll tell you that fixing typos and standardizing formatting is their least favorite thing and eats up way too much time. Think about dealing with messy variations like NY, New York, and NY. AI models now seamlessly detect those inconsistencies and turn them into one clean label automatically, meaning nobody has to manually filter through thousands of rows of data. Apply this to a really high-stakes environment, like healthcare. Patient records coming from multiple different clinics are usually a chaotic mess of inconsistent names, weird date formats, and totally mismatched medical codes. Machine learning tools step in and instantly standardize all of this. They intelligently identify that M, male, and man all mean the exact same thing, cleaning the data instantly using smart predictions. We are talking about taking what used to be weeks of manual preparation and cutting it down to mere hours. No human rule writing required. Stage 3, data analysis, finding patterns humans might miss. You know, traditional analysis relies entirely on humans knowing exactly what questions to ask. So if an e-commerce company wants to know why shopping cart abandonment suddenly spiked last quarter, an analyst has to manually test 5 or 6 different hypotheses. It's basically an educated but super slow game of trial and error. AI totally bypasses that trial and error by surfacing hidden relationships instantly. It acts like a superpowered analyst, analyzing thousands of user sessions in a flash and flagging that, hey, abandonment spikes specifically among mobile users during one specific checkout step. This kind of pattern detection is so powerful, it's actually used in the finance sector to flag unusual spending and predict fraud at a massive scale that's nearly impossible for humans to match. Which brings us to stage 4, data visualization, turning numbers into understandable stories. Now, what's really interesting about this stage is that even the most groundbreaking analysis is totally useless if non-technical people can't understand it. That's exactly where natural language generation, or NLG, comes in. NLG tools take a complex chart and automatically generate a clear, written sentence describing the key takeaways, so the viewer doesn't have to play a guessing game. So instead of handing your boss some complicated line graph with a bunch of intersecting axes, an AI tool boldly pulls out the absolute most crucial insight in plain language, something like, click-through rate improved 18%. You get the exact context you need instantly. Think of a marketing team trying to present campaign performance to non-technical leadership. An AI-powered dashboard automatically selects the absolute clearest chart type for that specific dataset and slaps on that plain language summary. It effortlessly bridges the communication gap so leadership gets the story instantly without getting bogged down in raw numbers. Stage 5. Decision making from insight to action faster. We've reached the final and definitely the most critical part of the pipeline. Historically, this is where good data dies a slow death sitting in an unread report. Let's look at AI in action at this final decision point by combining a logistics company monitoring delivery routes and a customer support team predicting account churn. In both of these real-world scenarios, time is actively running out. Here's the game changer. AI doesn't just hand over the raw data. It delivers insights and recommended next steps in the exact moment they're needed. It detects a weather delay and recommends an alternate route before the truck even stops. It flags a customer who is likely to churn and automatically suggests a retention offer to the account manager instantly. Data insight becomes real-world action in minutes, not weeks. Let's move to the final piece and see how this builds. Stage 6, the bigger picture, changing the shape of the workflow. AI isn't just speeding up individual steps in isolation. It is completely reshaping the pipeline. Stages that used to happen one after another are increasingly happening together. Data gets collected, cleaned, analyzed, and turned into a decision almost simultaneously. We are literally witnessing the total compression of the analytics timeline from weeks to mere moments. Which leaves us with a vital question to wrap up this explainer. How will human judgment shape your next data decision? Because AI is simply removing the friction. That means your human judgment, asking the right questions, sanity checking the output, and defining the business strategy is for sure more important now than it has ever been. The busy work is gone. So with AI handling all the heavy lifting, what big question are you going to ask your data next?